Okay guys, what's going on? So this is the exterior of the 1999 Lincoln Towncar. This is the final step of this full restoration vehicle. We tackled the interior. That was the main goal of this restoration, is getting that interior cleaned and smell free. We've done that. Took 2 days to do it, but we're done. Third day, this is today, we're gonna finish up the entire exterior. You can obviously tell that the headlight lenses are completely restored and now have clarity to them. That was part of the process that he wanted. Now we're dealing with the mildew and just the unbelievable amount of contamination on top of this vehicle. So we're not doing any kind of paint restoration or anything like that. We're just cleaning it up for his son. So we're not by any means restoring the paint. That was really on the interior that we focused all of our time and attention on the interior, getting that smell out and getting that interior fresh for his son. So the exterior, we're really just doing just a detail. About headlight restorations. I have a headlight restoration video that I did years and years ago, and in my opinion it's garbage. It doesn't offer any information. It's just a bad video is when I first started. So we kind of threw that video away, so to speak. I'm going to keep it on there just because I like to see the improvement and just to show people that I didn't just grab a microfiber and become a professional overnight. This has taken years and years and years of mistakes and training, you know, and rethinking things and being trained by the privilege of having unbelievable masters in this field be able to teach me, you know, in person, over the phone, email, all that stuff. This wasn't just an overnight thing, so I like having the video there, but we've got a new one, right? This is the proper way. This is the thorough explanation of a headlight restoration video. So if you're looking to restore your headlights or a client's and you want to kind of know what information, tools, and stuff like that to have on in your arsenal and in your mind to give to your clients, links in the description for sure. I'm going to show you the before. I'm going to show you my approach to it and the things that I'm going to do differently with this, and then I'm going to show you the after. But I don't really need to show you the full process. If you're looking on how to do an exterior thoroughly as a professional, and the best way to do it, what you're going to need for that, link is in the description. I'm going to be using a lot of throwaway towels, and I'm going to use microfiber mitts that as soon as I'm done with them, they're going to be thrown away because I have so much to pull up off this paint that there's just no point of trying to wash the mitt or these towels or anything like that. I mean, that has buildup for sure. So anyways, did a test spot with some of my products, and this is what the after looks like right here.
That's good.
Okay guys, so here we are and the full exterior is now finished. It is a complete transformation from when we started to now, and I think the customer's really gonna be thrilled about this turnaround. So right now, it's all about the little details. So we're gonna dry it, we're gonna clean the glass, we're gonna clean the wheels, we're gonna hydrate the tires. We're gonna do everything that we normally do, right? Clean the door jambs, etc., right? But as far as this video goes, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. So thank you guys again for watching this. This has been one hell of a project, and I've had a blast doing it. So definitely thank you guys so much for watching so far, and I appreciate everything. Take care, guys.